Good morning. Hope you are doing well and studying well also. And before I start, let me show you some images. Let me show you some images. Here you can see. Can you see these images? These are the freedom fighters of our country. You can see Nana Sahab, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and these Tatya Tope, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bipin Chand Pal, Mahatma Gandhi, Chandrasekhar Azad, Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, we all know about them. I showed you for remembering, and now I would like to show you something else. Can you see this picture? Who is this? Pranab Mukherjee. This is R.K. Narayan. He is a very famous writer, and this is Sarojini Naidu. Again, she is a very famous poet. And these are all Indian writers and poets. And now you see Chetan Bhagat is another writer. He wrote many books, and there was a movie, Three Idiots. It was based on his novel. Okay, and can you see this? This is Sant Kabir. He wrote many dohas in Hindi language. He's also very famous poet of our country. Now, can you see this Binayak Damodar Savarkar? He is also a very good writer, and this is Ruskin Bond. He's a very famous writer for children. He wrote many stories for children. Got it? So you might have read about him. And now, who doesn't know this man? This is the proud of India, Rabindranath Tagore, first Nobel Literature. He got the first Nobel Prize for India. And this is again Salman Rushdie. He is also an Indian origin man. And nowadays he is residing in Britain, but he is Indian origin now. Nowadays he is residing in England. So you can see it is written here, British Indian novelist. He is also a Nobel Prize winner. Okay, these are the we can say the Indian. Now you can see what I am showing you. What these are? Can you see this? These are worthy sons of Mother India, and these all are the scientists. Jagdish Chand Bose, J.C. Bose, and Praful Chand, Satyendra Bose. You can see this. Can you see this? Okay, can you see this? This is Jagdish Chand Bose. Is this Praful Chand, and you can see this Praful Chand, Satyendranath Bose, Meghnad Saha. These are the Indian scientists. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. He is the Homi Jahangir Bhabha. And these are all the scientists who made us proud and do many researches, and they made our country proud of. Okay, C.V. Raman, he was the Nobel Prize winner for Raman effect. Okay, and these all are the scientists. And who don't know this man? APJ Abdul Kalam, missile man of India. He was the president also. And who doesn't know this man? He made our country the fifth, the biggest power in the world, atomic power. Now this is the C.V. Raman. This scientist also made the Indians proud by winning the Nobel Prize, and his principle of and he was a very great scientist. You must know about this. And you can see down here in this slide, Swami Vivekanand. He also made our country proud. And he had a lot of name and fame in the field of spiritualism, and spreading peace all throughout the world. And the Bhagat Singh, doesn't know, he was a great martyr. Now you see the people here. You can see These are the sportsmen. You can see. Do you know who is he? Viswanathan Anand. This one is Viswanathan Anand. Here, this one is Viswanathan Anand. He is one of the best chess players of the world. In his times, he was the second number player in the whole world, and he is the man. Sushil Kumar. He won the Olympic medal for us. Okay, so these are the few personalities, isn't it? You can see there are number of sports people. है ना? This is Abhinav Bindra. You can see Abhinav Bindra. He was a gold medalist in Olympics for India. And so these are the people who made us proud, isn't it? Can you see? How many of you can recognize? This is what athletes: Yuvraj Singh, Sushil Kumar, Viswanathan Anand, and all that. And here some more. You can see Virat Kohli is also good. And this is Mahesh Bhupati, this is tennis player, isn't it? So there are so many sports persons that made us proud. This Sachin Tendulkar, who doesn't know this man? Rahul Dravid, Sachin Tendulkar, they earned the name the whole India. This is Mary Kom, great boxer, and everybody knows. And can you see this man, Ratan Tata? He is one of the industrialists who had the name throughout the world, name and fame. Does the donation works also, And this is Narendra Modi, our PM. You can see, and these are the other players of our country. You can see, and isn't it? So I showed you these pictures. These were the sportsmen and all that. These were and now you see, this is a picture here. In this picture you can see these are what? These are our Bharat Ratna awardees: Mother Teresa, C.V. Raman, isn't it? And this Dr. Rajendra Prasad, APJ Abdul Kalam, Lata Mangeshkar, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Sachin Tendulkar. These are the Bharat Ratna awardees. They did a lot of things for our country. And these are how many of them? Ustad Bismillah Khan, you can see, and Atal Bihari, Sachin Tendulkar, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So these are Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mother Teresa, and this Lal Bahadur Shastri, you can see, C.V. Raman, you can see. Okay, so these are Bharat Ratna awardees of our country. And in the same way, there are so many Paramveer Chakra awardees and Mahavir Chakra awardees. These are the people who did a lot of things, lot of effort for our country. So in this way you could understand how many people worked and now gave our country some recognition in the world level. So this is what all about our today's topic, that is our nation's strength. So what basically is our nation's strength? Actually, if you see, for example, if you see that some of the countries having a lot of money and gold and all that, but some countries they are having good people, okay, worthy peoples, those people who work tirelessly without any without tiredness. Okay, so these kind of people, they do what? They make us proud. Okay, So they make a country strong. So this is what our today's topic, that is what a nation's strength. So here we can see, you can see in your book also, this is our today's topic, a nation's strength. You can see the nation's strength. You can see here, this is what a nation's strength. This is our topic today's, and we have seen that what actually is the nation's strength. We will see in this poem. You can see here it is written, not gold, but only man can make a people great and strong. No, not the people here. This is misprinted here. This is misprinted here. This is written a people great and strong. Here this people is not. Here it should be nation. Okay, it should be what? Nation. It is what? Nation. Not. This is said. Not gold, but only man can make a nation great and strong. Not people. Here it is misprinted. So, not gold, but only man can make a nation great and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Men who for truth and honor's sake. Men, those kind of people who are working not for the money. They work for truth and they work for respect. They work for honest. They work for honor. And stand fast and suffer long. Stand fast means they stand firmly. They work. They keep on working and suffer long, and they go through lot of difficult times. They suffer. Suffer means taking pains. Taking pain. Suffer means to take pain. So they take pains. They stand firmly to solve the problems and to actually to give our nation proud. Means if you see some player is winning the gold medal, it's not a one day game. They need to take pains. They need to work day and night. Then only they can do something, and they can achieve something for our country, isn't it? It's not like that. If somebody is a good writer and the whole world is, so it means that they are doing effort day and night for the sake of the country, to give name and fame to the country. I hope you're getting my point. So these kind of men, they are the real treasure of our country. They are not the gold, not the money that is kept in our country. These kind of people, they are the actual strength. They work for the country day and night. Brave men who work while others sleep and who dare while others fly. This kind of men, brave men means, suppose that there is a now this time there is a corona pandemic is running, and everybody is afraid of that they may get infected, and how to go out. It is restricted for everybody, but still for the service of the nation, you might have seen the corona barriers. Those policemen, those army people, those doctors and nurses and other people, those who are serving the nation, those who are providing food facilities to the all the public, isn't it? They are working. They are brave. They work while others sleep, and they dare while others fly. When some challenges come, then cowards they fly. That's why it is saying that brave people, when there is a need to the country, suppose that there is a war, and nowadays China is not doing pretty well. He is trying to occupy our land. Now if there is a war, then cowards will not go there. Only brave soldiers, they will fight. And they fought. There was a soldier who fought bravely and killed a number of people of Chinese soldiers, isn't it? So our soldiers, those who dare means those who courage. They are not coward. They dare to fight when there is a difficult time. Hmm. So such kind of brave people who work while others sleep, and those who dare when others fly. Others fly means those who others people who run away when the difficult time comes. है ना? So these kind of people who are the nation's strength, they dare to fight when the others run away. They build a nation's pillar deep and lift them to the sky, and these are called the pillars of the nation. You know that there is a building. If there is a building, and if the pillars are not strong, then building will be demolished very easily. But if the pillars are strong, pillars on which the building stands, first of all, it is pillars are made in the foundation and to the above, and the building gets a very it becomes strong by these pillars. So in our if our country is building, then these are the pillars. These kind of people who dare, who courage, who do a lot of effort to give name and fame to the country. APJ Abdul Kalam, other scientists, isn't it? They dare. They did a lot of work when others play. Our soldiers, our players who earn the medals, all these kind of these kind of people, they make our country proud, and they make and they are the real treasure of our country, not the gold. This is what the poet is telling. The poet is Ralph Waldo Emerson. R.W. Emerson is a very famous poet, and this is a very small and very wonderful poem to learn also, and we need to learn it, and we need to go through it. You need to memorize this poem. This is a wonderful poem, and so after all, by the way of this poem, we can understand that what is the real strength of a nation. That is not the money, that is not the gold, that is the people who work hard for the nation's betterment, to make the country proud. Whether he is a sportsman, whether it's an army man, whether it's a politician, whether it's a prime minister, chief ministers, or other ministers who are working for the welfare of the society, or the players for earning the medals, or scientists who are inventing the things for us. So all these are combinedly, they are the pillars. They are the nation's pillars. They are the pillars of the nations. They they lift the nation to the sky. They make our country feel proud among the whole world. So I hope you enjoyed this poem, and you will read it, and you can memorize it, and you can write this poem in your notebook also. Okay, thank you, and